Hey y'all, welcome back to Vanna Reels. I'm going to show you how to apply press-on nails. So first things first, you want to start off with clean hands, baby. I mean clean hands. My nails are not trimmed yet, but that's going to be done later in this video. So first, let's hit it off with this Nailest set that comes with two nail sets within this, but we're only going to utilize one row. And this is from their, I think this is from their Instant collection. If it's still available on the website, I will link it. But we're going to start off with this set. Then you're going to need your materials. You're going to need glue, a nail file, sticky tabs, and whatever item you need to dehydrate your nails, whether that's alcohol or a dehydrating liquid that you have available, use that. So we're going to go ahead and get into all. Now we're going to get down to filing those nails down. Well, actually trimming them first because one hand was longer than the other, and that's really not appropriate. So I want to show you guys the proper way to do this. Go ahead and trim those down. Make sure they're as even as you possibly can get them. Even though you will not see them, you want to help your nails grow underneath. So you really want to make sure you're taking that filing and trimming process very serious because the prepping is what really gets your nails to stick. A lot of people complain that press-on nails don't stick, but if you don't prep properly, that's why they aren't sticking 2 to 3 weeks. Mine stay on 2 to 3 weeks because I prep. And I don't use a dehydrator bonding agent like a lot of people do use. I go ahead and file my nails down. That's how I get that surface as rough as possible so I don't have to use a dehydrating liquid. But some people use alcohol to dehydrate or the specific dehydrating line items that you can find online that you can purchase like on Amazon and stuff like that. I'll link some below if that's something you would prefer to do. But I'm going ahead and I'm filing all of those nails down because they need to be as rough as possible, like I said before. Before you do any applying of your nail, your surface should be rough or dried out. And that's point blank period. So our next step, we want to go ahead and size out each nail to each finger. And I like to do this step because I'm the type of person where I don't really like to reshape and resize all of my nails. So if I can do as least work as possible, I go ahead and size out and figure out what size fits the best and which ones I may have to file down and which ones I can go ahead and skip filing down. And you want to do this before you apply your adhesives and your glue. So you see how that fell off? Because it's not on there yet. You see what I'm saying? And I'm looking at these sizes and I'm like, okay, that one fits, that one doesn't. Because sometimes, to be honest with y'all, both of your thumbs are not the same size. I mean, for me, that's the case. Both of my thumbs do not fit the same way every time. So I have to check and see which ones work the best. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up so you can just see it through. And then we'll move on to the next step. Now that I've selected all the nails that I'm going to utilize for each hand, I line them up to match how I'm going to put them on my hand. So this just helps me speed up this last portion of applying my press-ons. So once I go to put on my adhesive tabs and then my glue, all I'm doing is already placing those nails that I've sized out. I don't have to do no more prep work. I'm done and I'm ready to apply. Now, as a continuation of the last clip, I'm going ahead and adding that nail sticky tab. And it is perfectly fine if you would like to just add glue, but I like to use the nail sticky tabs and glue. And the reason for that is because I like to make sure my hold on these press-ons are reinforced. And I don't want any slips, and I want that good 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So as you can see here in this clip, I'm adding the glue at the tip of the nail because the nail tab does not cover the whole nail. So I only add that glue. You don't need a lot of glue. That's what a lot of people mess up. You're putting too much glue on. You only need a couple drops. Okay? You know how you in the nail salon, they put that glue on for you? Because they have to fix a nail that's broken? That's what you're doing here, just a little bit. Now it may look like a lot, but it's just a little bit. And you spread it across that tip of the finger You can see I'm struggling a little bit here. Jesus, what am I doing? But yes, go ahead, spread it across, and then we're going to eventually in this clip put on the nail. Here we are, putting on the nail. And you want to press down for 7 to 10 seconds. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I've become a pro at this, so I know how to hold my hand. I know how to make sure that glue don't run on me. That's why I'm flipping my hand over like that. Pressing it down, making sure it's sticking. And you should kind of feel a little bit of a tightness. And that's when you know it's trying to bond together and it's working. That's what you want to feel. You want to feel that it's like locking in. And here you're seeing me repeat this step for each nail. I just sped the footage up so you can see it and still view it. That I'm doing this for every nail. Now I will say, see on this backside where I have the nails peeking through, I add glue under my nail also. Because when you add it under, that's more reinforcement as well. But just a little bit. I swear to you guys, you only need a little bit of glue. Only a little bit. When you put too much, it's harder for it to get tacky and seal. It's just like when you're applying wigs. They always tell you don't put on too much glue. Don't put on too much lace adhesive. It's the same way with press on nails. So when people be like, "Oh my God, press on nails fall off," yada 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 yada, because you don't know how to put them on. Okay, that's why they keep falling off. Okay, if we want to wear press ons, we can wear them. You just need to learn how to apply them. Don't try to knock us. But I'm not gonna go on no more rants. Just learn how to apply your nails. And this is a safe space where I want to show you how to apply your nails because everybody can do it. It's easy. It just takes practice and work. You can do it. So I want you guys to really enjoy this video as much as you can and keep rewatching it and sharing it with your friends because maybe you don't know how to apply them and you just need somebody to really tell you, how should I apply my nails properly? How do I do this? Because I'm trying to be a baddie on a budget, and going to the nail salon and spending $100 each set is just not in my practice right now. So I need some good nails and I need them to last me. And now some people don't like long lengths like I do, but they have shorter options. The Nailest has all the options you need. There are other nail brands, but I just have the best success with the Nailest, to be honest with you. They last the longest for me. And just like that, voila, we are finished. The nails are on and they look good. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. If you're new to the press on game, I'm here to show you how to apply them and get that 2 to 3 week longevity. Now, I will say some key things to take away here. When you are around water, please be mindful that you do have press on nails on, i.e., if you're washing the dishes, cleaning your home, or whatever you're doing that requires some hard labor, put on cleaning gloves. Because if you do not come on here and say I didn't tell you or warn you that you have to be mindful of these things. Granted, when you're in the shower and you're in the bathtub, there's nothing you could do about that. But when you are cleaning up and doing things that require gloves, put the gloves on. Please, put them on. Please, these are press-ons. Let's be realistic. But they will last you 2 to 3 weeks, nonetheless. If you do those proper things and wear gloves when you're around water that doesn't require during your bathing time or doing your face wash and stuff like that. But all in all, this set is from the Nailest. And if you would like to get sets similar to this and you want to get some money off of your purchase, use this code for 10% off on thenailest.com. All details will be marked below in the description box. And make sure you tell them who sent you by using that code. And make sure you guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right,